One important thing when you park your car, and this is true for all car brands, is when you stop the engine and remove the key from the ignition, oftentimes the steering has a steering lock and it gets locked into a position like this, just like that. You notice it doesn't want to turn. What happens is that sometimes there's a spring in it. It's just the wheels actually forcing and it forcing against the lock. It is really important when you insert the key and you feel like it's kind of hard to turn, do not try to turn it. Instead, just grab the steering, feel how it moves. You notice it has a move in one way, so just grab it and pull it into that way. Keep it like that, and with the other hand, turn the key in the ignition. It should turn very smoothly and very easily. If you don't keep the steering wheel like this, if you don't remove the pressure on it while turning the key, after a while, after a few years, the barrel here will get damaged, and that's really expensive. It needs to be replaced. It's very expensive. It's not fun. So it has to be really done by the main dealer, and that's a big problem on almost all car brands. So always, when you park your car and you take a car back again, before starting the engine, always release the pressure on the steering wheel if you feel the key doesn't turn very easily there. This is true for all cars, not just Volvo brands. All of them are this.